I am in line and we're moving in for the first in Fright, which is their Scarowinds area to hold people who are here during the day and going to Scarowinds at night, similar to what other parks do. This is the first year that they have done this, and this is the first time I have done this. And I left my jacket in the car because I thought I was going to leave in between. So, so this is at Aeronautica Landing, but it's actually larger than that footprint. This is the newest area of Carowinds, sorry. But for Scarowinds, this is the holding area, which is, sorry Universal, this is so much better than Stay and Scream. But I don't think Universal could do something like this, because as you see, it's a very large area to hold people between daytime and nighttime, and there are multiple rides that are open for those. Now this is only for a certain level of pass holders, but the passes aren't that expensive. I live in Orlando and it was worth it to buy one. Exclusive access to Boo Blasters on Boo Hill. I just rode it, absolutely no line whatsoever. I got right on, which is pretty amazing because every time I see this ride, there's a line for it, which it should be because it's a really great ride. Again, huge area. It includes the bumper cars, more bad music. So here's a list of all the things you have. I mean, 6 rides in this area, 3 eating areas. More examples of rides that are open during First in Fright. And part of the reason why this is new this year is because this whole area is new. I guess it's wreath-themed, but I know this coaster isn't new, but a lot of the rides here are brand new to this park. Here's another ride that's open, so you don't have to just stand around and wait for the time to go into the park. A lot of really good ride options. None of them are for me though, because this one spins a lot. When I was here in August, this ride wasn't even running. Again, not something I'll ever be on because I cannot handle spinning. If you're excited to ride this, make some noise. And a few people went, woo! Yeah, if I rode this ride, I'd be making some noise too. It would sound like this. That's why I'm not riding it. No one wants that. Yeah, it's not super fast, but no. Also no. And just in case you miss it, no. I'll be seeing this ride again at the Orange County Convention Center during IAPA, if I can get my tickets. There is a line for the frequent fryers, but that'll be open later. Not only do you get the rides and the food, but a band. This is still the First in Fright. One thing I would say is a little negative about this is, unfortunately, you don't get to any of the houses or haunted attractions, I think they call them. You don't get into any of those early. So you get to them as soon as everybody else does, but there's so many other benefits. What's going on here? And look at all the main patients. Thanks for watching, and remember, haunt season never ends.